Oh, belum PowerPoint-nya.
Mulai, Del.
Okay, guys. At this meeting, I discuss. Are you hearing me, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. My connection very bad. Okay, at this meeting, I discuss what components are the motherboard. Maybe some of you only know briefly about the some motherboard and don't know of component of RD. What is the motherboard? The motherboard is one computer hardware contained in CPU. The motherboard is a hardware board. The function of space for various kinds of computer hardware. They are connected to each other. Motherboard have components that help different functions. Therefore, they will tell you that components are on the motherboard. CPU socket processor slot is a place for placing the processor on the motherboard. This stand is regularly with small hearts where the frames of the processor are arranged to form a two-dimensional matrix. With server to put the processor in the motherboard, RAM memory slot exciting components. RAM memory slot function of install memory card. Memory or RAM, there are several types such as DRAM, DDR1, DDR2, DDR3, and DDR4. The IDA slot and the status slot, ADA slot and SITA slot are different in shapes but have the same function, namely to but have the connect the hard disk or CD, DVD, ROM, and the motherboard. The shape of the two is adjacent to the cable used by earth of third slot. AGV slots and PCI source exciting component. AGV slots and PCI slots have the same functions, namely as a graphic card or PGA card installed. AGV is usually used for all VGA cards and the computer. Nowadays, our installing uses AGV VGA card. BIOS, Basic Input Output System, and UAVI, chips BIOS, Basis of Computer Output System, is a chip that's a function of controlling at the device hardware on computer. The BIOS is responsible with the computer boot. CMOS, battery or CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor, is a small battery that functions to provide power to the BIOS initiation. The CMOS battery also functions to store sitting in the BIOS. The set is similar to a watch battery, but large in size. Power converter, exciting components are motherboard components that are no less important than other components. Server to connect to motherboard to the power supply. Input output ports for all collection of ports to plug in the friendly of computer input and output hardware such as LAN, USB, PS2, VGA, extension port. Front panel pins. The front panel pin function as a connector from the casing to the motherboard so that we can turn off the computer through the casing. CPU punch pins. The CPU punch pin server to provide power the protector from the turn of the it can cool the processor. Thus, the decision this time, happily, it is useful for of use. Okay, I think I enough for I want to say about motherboard. Next, guys.
Okay. Okay, today I will tell you about MariaDB server. MariaDB server is one of the most popular database server in the world. It's made by the original developer of MySQL and guaranteed to stay open source. Notable users include Wikipedia, WordPress.com, and Google. MariaDB turns data into structured information in a wide array of applications, ranging from banking to websites. Originally designed as NH drop-in replacement for MySQL MariaDB. MariaDB is used because it's fast, scalable, and robust. With a rich ecosystem of storage engines, plugins, and many other tools make it very versatile for a wide variety of use cases. MariaDB is developed as open source software and as relational database in provider an SQL interface for accessing data. The latest version of MariaDB also include GIS and JSON features. More information can be found in the MariaDB knowledge base. For example, MariaDB versus MySQL features, MariaDB versus MySQL compatibility, MariaDB success stories. There is also a good Wikipedia article about MariaDB and the MySQL history. Okay, next about MariaDB Foundation. The MariaDB Foundation is support continuity and open collaboration in MariaDB ecosystem. The foundation guarantees that there is a global contact point for collaboration and that the community can always rapidly open MariaDB server. The foundation is not profit incorporated in Delaware, USA, and founded for corporate and individual sponsors. The foundation staff support MariaDB server by encouraging adoption, contribution and distribution of MariaDB server and related open source software, helping new contributors understand the source code and lowering the barrier for the new participants. Participating in the design of the new features, ensuring the code quality and maintainability of the code base while the number of contributors is growing. Making sure documentation keeps up with the development of the new features. Porting and packaging MariaDB to different platform and operating system to keep it the widely available as possible. Speaking at the event and driving adoption, detail about the foundation principles, operation and the board of the directors of the available on the governance page. More information regarding board meeting minutes can be found here. While the foundation started to work on the code base and develop MariaDB to some extent, the mission of the foundation is not to develop MariaDB as much as possible, but to empower a large as possible community to be successful in collaborative MariaDB development. Beneficiaries. Sponsor. The MariaDB Foundation is grateful the following organization for their substantial support. Platinum sponsor is Alibaba Cloud, provided a comprehensive suite of global cloud computing service to power both international customer and Alibaba Group's own e-commerce ecosystem. Alibaba Clouds offer high performance elastic computing power in the cloud. 2. Tencent Cloud is a secure, reliable, and high performance cloud compute service provided by Tencent is now the large internet company in China and even Asia is providing service for hundreds of millions of people via its flagship product is like QQ and WeChat. 3. Microsoft is the leading platform and productivity company for the mobile first, cloud first world, and its mission is to empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more. 4. MariaDB Corporation provide expert support and consulting for MySQL and MariaDB. Manti program, the original primary developer of MariaDB was acquired SkySQL in 2013, and in 2014 SkySQL changed their name to MariaDB Corporation. MariaDB Corporation has the large number of MariaDB experts and contributors. MariaDB provides subscription, service, and download with additional enterprise features. 5. ServiceNow allows employees to work the way they want to, not how software dictates they have to, and customers can get what they need when they need it. 7. Gold sponsor. I'm sorry. Gold sponsor. Visma provides business software, outscoring service, commerce solution, retail IT solution, and IT-related development and consultancy. DBS is leading financial service group in Asia with over 280 brands across 18 markets. Headquartered and listed in Singapore, DBS has growing presence in the 3 key Asia axis of growth: Greater China, South Asia, and South Asia and South Asia. The bank capital position as well as AA and AA1 credit ratings is among the highest in Asia Pacific. Silver sponsor. Distribute company behind was WordPress.com, WooCommerce, Jetpack, SimpleNote, Longreach, VaultPress, Xman, Gravatar, CrowdSignal, CloudWhoop, Tumblr, and more. Other sponsor. Persona is American company based in Durham and the developer of a number of the open source software project for MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, and RockDB user. Codership is company behind Galera Cluster, a true multi-master cluster based on synchronous replication. Codership provide development and consulting service in Galera cluster and ensure high availability and performance. Okay, that's all I can say. Next.
Okay guys, on this occasion I want to explain about electric cigarette. Electric cigarette is one of nicotine replacement therapy that use electricity from battery power that vaporize liquid nicotine. This modern type of cigarette is designed to provide nicotine and keep giving the sensation of smoking to the user without the burning of tobacco. Even though this electronic cigarette certainly has a danger to health. World Health Organization say that e-cigarettes contain many noxious substances that can be poisonous to the smokers. The substance of it are heavy metal, chromium, and nickel, tin and zinc, diethylene glycol, and nitrosamine. The smoke is also highly dangerous because of an aerosol that can be very bad for the lungs. There is a report from a consumer in many places that had ever treated in hospital due to an incident or impairment of health after using cigarette. It becomes an evidence of dangerous electric cigarette. The case include pneumonia, heart failure, disoriented, and seizure ban as result of the explosion of a cigarette in their mouth. This tool is now way of putting nicotine in the body that cause bad effect in the body. The effects of nicotine are increasing epinephrine, blood pressure, and else causing addiction. Electric cigarette publicly states as a safe cigarette for health has become a threat. A recent study reveals electric cigarette vapor can damage cells of the lungs and create free radicals that is dangerous. Says that consumers who have respiratory disease are not allowed to use electric cigarettes again if the effects appears. The vapor that is produced by electric cigarette can cause an asthmatic shortness of breath and cough. This shows that this product is really dangerous, especially to respiratory system. The Times of India released the vapor from the electric cigarette can also trigger inflammation of the lung tissue. It is caused by the vapor produced by an electric cigarettes that contain heavy metal and can cause cancer. Very small nanoparticle size can reach far into the lung tissue, the system cell, and the flow of blood. The New England Journal of Medicine recently published that electric cigarettes release formaldehyde, the substance that can cause carcinogen cancer when it is heated by the battery that set on high voltage. A few months ago, there is information that say the electric cigarette considered safer than regular cigarettes, but the latest finding from the Hertz expert in Japan found the content of formaldehyde and acetyldehyde in the vapor produced by several liquids of electric cigarettes are more dangerous than regular cigarettes. A research by the Ministry of Health in Japan found carcinogen in the steam exhaled after sucking the e-cigarette. For example, the content of formaldehyde, a substance commonly found in building materials and embalming fluid, is in the higher level of carcinogen that in ordinary cigarette smoke. Acetaldehyde also found at a higher rate than tobacco cigarette. Electric smokers do not realize how much nicotine contained in the way artificial cigarette. Electric cigarette consumers currently have no way to know whether the electric cigarette is safe or not. However, the experts say that if the electric cigarette is suddenly damaged, then someone can be exposed to harmful components. Okay, guys, maybe that's all I can say about electric cigarette.
Okay. See you
Okay,
tomorrow.
see
Monday.
you.
I mean.